Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's topic is other wireless network devices. In addition to the GSM and the 4G 5G transmitter and receiver, smartphone make connection in a variety of ways. Connect with the GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth NFC. GPS Global Positioning System. The GPS uses satellites to transmit signal that cover the globe Earth. The smartphone can receive these signals and calculate the phone's location to an accuracy of within 10 meters. This is show the figure GPS location. Second point is a Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi wireless fidelity. Wi-Fi transmitters and receivers located within the smartphone enable the phone to connect to a local network and the internet in order to receive and send data on a Wi-Fi network. The phone needs to be within a range of the signal from a wireless network access point. Wi-Fi network are usually privately owned but often provide guest or a public access or hotspot. A hotspot is an area where Wi-Fi signals are available. Wi-Fi network connection on the phone are similar to the network connection on the laptop computer. This is example of a Wi-Fi. Third point is the Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a low power, shorter range wireless technology that is intended to replace wired connectivity for accessories such as speakers, headphones, and microphone. Bluetooth can also be used to connect the smartwatch to a smartphone because Bluetooth technology can be used to transmit both data and voice. It can be used to create small local network. Bluetooth is a wireless technology that allows devices to communicate over short distance. Multiple devices can be connected at the same time within Bluetooth. This is example of a Bluetooth. The fourth point is the NFC, near field communication. Near field communication is a wireless communication technology that enables data to be exchanged by devices that are in very closely proximity to each other, usually less than a few centimeters. For example, NFC can be used to connect a smartphone and a payment system. NFC uses electromagnetic fields to transmit data. This is example of NFC.